So, you've got your eye on Spocket's sleek products and you're ready to take your Shopify store to the next level, right? But how exactly do you bridge that gap? How do you effortlessly import those stunning products from Spocket directly into your Shopify store? Understanding the why. Before we dive into the how, let's quickly understand the why. Why would you want to import products from Spocket to Shopify? Well, it's simple. Spocket offers a curated marketplace of high-quality products from reliable suppliers around the globe. This means you can source unique products without the hassle of dealing with multiple suppliers directly. The step-by-step guide. Connect your stores. Log into Spocket, sign into your Spocket account. Navigate to the Apps page, look for the Apps section in your Spocket dashboard. Find the Shopify app, search for the Shopify app and click on it. Connect your Shopify store, follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Shopify store to your Spocket account. You'll likely need to provide your Shopify store URL and API key. Product import. Search for products. Use Spocket's search bar to find products that match your store's niche. You can filter products by category, price, shipping time, and more. Select products. Once you've found the products you want to import, select them. Import to Shopify. Click on the Import to Shopify button. Spocket will automatically import the product details, including images, descriptions, and pricing. Customize your import. Edit product details. Before importing, you can customize the product details, such as the title, description, and price. Choose variants. If a product has different variants, like size or color, you can select the specific variants you want to import. Set inventory levels. You can set inventory levels for each product. This is especially important if you're using a dropshipping model. Review and publish. Review imported products. Once the products are imported to your Shopify store, review them to ensure everything looks correct. Publish products. Once you're satisfied, publish the products to your store. They will be visible to your customers. Additional tips. Optimize product images. High-quality images can significantly impact your sales. Make sure the images are clear, well-lit, and optimized for web. Write compelling product descriptions. Write persuasive product descriptions that highlight the benefits of each product. Set competitive pricing. Research your competitors' pricing and set competitive prices for your products. Utilize Spocket's features. Take advantage of Spocket's features, such as product automation, order fulfillment, and shipping tracking. Conclusion. By following these simple steps, you can easily import products from Spocket to your Shopify store. This can help you save time, expand your product range, and boost your sales. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.